Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to set different notification sound per apps in Android. Follow this easy and step-by-step tutorial to set different notification sounds for different apps. First of all, go to your phone settings and here scroll down and tap on notifications. Now tap on app notifications. And here you will find all of your apps. Search for the app that you want to change notification sounds. Tap on the app and scroll down. Here tap on notification categories. Now I'm tapping on Instagram Direct to change direct message notification sound. And now tap on sound. And from here, you will be able to select a different notification sounds for the specific app. Go back from here. You can also set a different notifications for Instagram Direct Request, Instagram Direct Video Chat, and alerts, comment likes. Just tap on the notification option and just go to sound section and you will be able to select a different notification sound. And now let's set a notification for another app. So here's some opening messages. The same way, scroll down and tap on notification categories. And I'm tapping on incoming messages and just tap on sound. And from here, you will be able to select a different notification for the specific app. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.